Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little tutorial. If you like the look beforehand, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so first you want to start by putting primer on, and then we're going to get into the brows. Okay, so first I'm going to use my concealer, L.A Girls Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm going to go under my brows. Okay guys, I didn't get it, but make sure to blend out under your brows. And also, I'm not going to be describing this process because I have a video. If you need to learn how to do your brows, go view it right now. Okay, get it? A. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to prime my eyelids so that it'll be ready when I start applying eyeshadow. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with my Block Party Suva Beauty palette in the color Drunk Love, and I'm going to apply this to my whole eyelid. Depending on how comfortable you are with bright colors, you can stop when it's light, you can stop when it's super dark or super bold, whatever, but this is just me applying to the intensity that I want it at. Okay guys, so now I'm going to grab my concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. I do have hooded eyes, so my crease will be higher than what you would see on a normal unhooded eye. Okay guys, so here I'm just going to start applying the color. And the color I'm going to use is from my Suva Beauty Block Party palette in the color Flash Mob. This color is so pretty. It's just like a shimmery light pink. And it gives it such a nice ombre, pretty and pink effect. It's so cute. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with my coloring palette with the color Nighty just to darken up that pink just a tad bit to give it some more dimension. Okay guys, so now it's time to apply your foundation and start to complete the look. And boom, powder time. now I'm gonna apply mascara to apply my lashes, but I will not be applying my lashes on camera. Boom. Oh, girl, you look good. Wipe that powder off, child. Now, I did go in and add some little, you know, fake beauty marks. You don't have to do this. It's just my thing. And now we're going to go into highlighting. Okay, so I didn't want the look to be too plain. So now I'm going to go in with like a little ombre look. It's going to be a burgundy purple and a light pink. Okay, guys, so it's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Bye.